Hi, welcome to how to make a thermocouple that complies with most certification standards. I'm John Allen, President and CEO of Product Safety Consulting. We help companies obtain certifications around the world for their electrical products, ULCE, Mark, CSA, NEMCO. Today we're going to talk about how to make a thermocouple that complies with most standards. Make sure you read the standard, but most standards indicate to have the thermocouple of iron and constantine, two separate metals. When they're welded together, they create a voltage when heated. A meter reads the voltage and converts it to temperature. So we are going to show you how to make one today. We're going to strip the insulation back on both sides. I like to twist with my fingers to get it nice and tight first, and then come with the pliers and twist a little more to get it tight. When these thermocouple wires are pretty fragile and they'll snap on you, I trim it back. Some standards require you to only twist once. Make sure you read that standard. Okay, we're going to spot weld. Make sure my pliers is in contact with the metal. I'm going to put my setting on my spot welder, and we will clear. And hopefully we have a good weld. And yes, we do. That is a perfect weld. Don't get frustrated though. It takes some time. The spot welder's touchy. The insulation is thin. The wires are thin. You might blow the weld a couple of times before you get it down, but it's not that hard. Good luck, and if you need some help, give us a call.